Another video. It's me, Joshua from HTML with Joshua, and today we're going to be looking at how to do subscript and superscript in HTML. Hopefully you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So let's just get into today's video. So to do this, it's actually very simple. So what we're going to do is I got a new tab open here in Visual Studio Code, and what we are going to, and I already typed in the basics of HTML over here, and I also opened that on Google like this. I just opened that and just did all the basics, and then what we're going to do is we typed all these basic code. So we need to focus on how to do subscript and superscript. So first of all, I need to tell about two different types of tags. That is SUB, which is subscript, which goes down, and we have the second one, which is SUP, which is superscript. So these are the two tags that we're going to be using for the subscript and the superscript. So first of all, we're going to go here and center and align up a thing. So CENTER. Center, we're going to center up a basic called H1, let's say H1. So that we can know that, you guys can see properly like the subscript and the superscript. So first of all, we're going to do with squares and all the things that come down. So what we're going to do for this is we're going to be typing a number, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on the square, which is 2. So if we save this over here and go to Google and just refresh it, we get 1, 2, 3, 4. But I want this 1, 2, 3, 123 square, 1234 square. So to do this, we need to get the 2 up high. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to cut the 2 for now, and we're just going to focus, and we're just going to do subscript, SUP, like that. No, superscript, sorry. And instead that, we're going to type the 2. And after that, we can save it and go back to Google and reload it. And if you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 square. So that's a square. And if you do superscript instead of the subscript, what you get, I'll just do that. So we'll do superscript. Subscript instead of the superscript, you get this. So we'll go like that and go back and reload, and you get the 2 down of it. So I'm going to tell where they use this. So for a lot of companies over here, like for most of the companies, what they do is they use superscript in their website for doing the trademark symbol. So I'm going to be showing that like very simply. So let's go and type a brand name. Like we can, first of all, we'll just do the superscript thing and write TM, which basically means trademark, and we'll do some sort of company like Lenovo. So we got Lenovo TM over here. So if we go ahead and normally without the, I'll just show you without the superscript and how is it, and after that I'll show you how is it with the superscript. So cut that and cut this, and we got Lenovo TM, this straight up Lenovo TM. We can go like that, and it's Lenovo TM, but I want the TM in superscript. So we're going to do superscript like that and TM like this, and done. And now we are going to go back to Google and just reload this, and as you can see, we got Lenovo TM. So that's how you do subscript and superscript. Like for trademarks, for squares and all those things, you use subscript, and for simple things you use superscript. So this was a short video and a tutorial. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, smash the like button. Our goal is to reach at least 500 subscribers before this year. So help me in doing that. It will mean a lot to me. And